Top 5 Best Portable Washing Machines. Number 5. hOmeLabs Portable Washing Machine. Pros: you can manually add water. Tremendous customer support. Simple setup. Automatic wash, soak, rinse, spin. Cons: the drain pipe does not keep perfectly on the sink. Sebring tip: featuring a stainless tub, the small washing machine can deal with as much as 6 pounds of clothing at one time. The washer comes with 2 roller wheels on the other side, carry handles, and adjustable legs. On the LED screen, you've got the possibility of 5 programs, ranging from heavy to soak, 3 water levels along with a lint filter too. Additionally, the machine has a quiet spin function. Coming in number 4. Super Deal SD2304. Pros: 0.15 minute wash cycle. Gentle impeller wash. 11 to 13 pounds total wash capacity. 1,300 RPM spin speed. 2 tubs. Gravity drain. Cons: small spin tub. All plastic construction. A compact, twin-tub portable washing machine, this $190.89 model lets you finish loads super fast. It takes 15 minutes at most to wash and 5 to spin dry, and you can select cycles that run faster. Another plus for this unit's the fact that you can use both tubs simultaneously, saving even more time. This portable washer has 2 tubs, so if you have delicate items that you would ideally hand wash, you need not put them in the spinner. Since it is a spin dryer, you will get the clothes out damp, not sopping wet. You still have to air dry them somewhere, but it will take less time. If you can't fix the water intake hose to your tap, there's no need for an adapter, you can always use your shower to put water in. Cons: you may have to spin a full load twice to get all the clothes done. Coming in number 3. Black & Decker BPWM09W. Pros: 19-minute wash cycle. Reputable manufacturer. Gentle impeller wash. 0.9 cubic feet wash capacity. 1,300 RPM spin speed. Lint filter. LED display. Child lock. Comes with tap adapter. Cons: cold wash only. Gravity drain. This portable washer comes from a reputable brand name and is truly a mini version of a full-size impeller washing machine. It is ideal for small apartments and RV, dorm, or even boat living. It can wash 6.6 pounds of laundry at one time, and you can choose from different timing cycles ranging from 19 to 52 minutes. Its positives are that it comes with a lint filter, delay timer, LED display, automatic unbalance detection, and child protection cutoff that automatically stops the cycle if the lid's opened. It also comes with an adapter so you don't have to search for one that will fit your taps. And at $238.52, it's not too expensive. The single negative? This machine works only with cold water. If hot water cleaning's important to you, then it may not be the right choice. It may, however, be the best overall portable washing machine. Coming in number 2. Panda Portable Washing Machine. The Panda Portable Washing Machine is the best high-capacity, lightweight, compact washing machine for RVs. It has a beautiful, modern gray design with electronic control panels and an LED display that features 5 water level options and 10 washing programs suitable for loads up to 10 pounds. It also has a stainless steel tub, a 55-inch drain hose, and a folding glass top available in blue or yellow. The space-saving size and built-in rollers make it easy to move around. In addition, the small portable washing machine quickly adapts to any faucet. Simply attach the adapter, connect the inlet house, set the desired temperature, and fill the tub. The washing machine uses 110 volts and a 3-prong power cord that works almost anywhere. This portable, space-saving machine weighs 51 pounds unfilled and measures 20 by 19 by 34 inches. Coming in number 1. COMFEE Portable Washing Machine. The COMFEE Portable Washing Machine is one of the best portable washing machines for sale on Amazon. It's the perfect compact washer for apartments, dorms, and RVs because it's fully automatic and quickly attaches to any faucet with its portable fill hose. In addition, the space-saving design and energy-saving functions ensure it will fit in tight spaces and save money on water and electricity bills. This machine includes every feature you'd expect to find in a modern, top-of-the-line washer, from a durable motor to wheels and handles to move it around quickly. In addition, it has a stainless steel inner tub, a built-in lint trap, separate cold and hot water inlets, and a detergent box. The 6 cleaning programs include regular, quick, heavy, bulky, delicate, and spin only. There is also an option to select an extra rinse cycle and 3 temperature options. Additional features include a clear, soft close lid, child lock, delay start, and reload options. The top-loading COMFEE portable washing machine holds 11 pounds of clothing and fits in a compact space of 20.7 by 20.3 by 36.6 inches. It comes in a magnetic gray color, weighs 70.5 pounds, runs on 120 volts, and uses 63 kilowatts per hour per year in energy consumption. If you're looking for something smaller, opt for the 9 cubic feet COMFEE portable compact washer. It weighs just 44.1 pounds and measures 18.1 by 17.7 by 31.5 inches.